In today's world, AI has become an essential tool for businesses to stay competitive. However, not all AI tools are created equal, and it's important to choose the ones that will make a meaningful impact on your workflow. AI tools can either make you more money or save you more time, and they should make your workflow seamless, not add complexity to it. While there are many AI tools available, not all of them will be helpful in a meaningful way. It is important to discern which tools will be useful and capitalize on the trends that are here to stay. In today's video, we will explore 7 AI tools that can save you time and make you money. The first 2 AI tools that have the potential to make you lots of money and save you lots of time are 10web.io and Durable. Co. Building a website used to require a lot of skills and training, but with these AI tools, you can use AI to build your entire website for you. These tools will design it, build it, write copy, and even source and insert the imagery. In a matter of minutes, you can go from having no website to having a fully functioning and aesthetically pleasing website. You can either use these AI tools in your own business or even start businesses around them. These are perfect examples of how AI tools can both save time and make you money. The next AI tool that can save you time and make you money is Opus Clip. Opus Clip can take any long-form video and with one click turn your long-form content into short-form content. The AI is able to find the best hooks in the video and piece them together with the relevant highlights to pretty much cut out all of the boring stuff. Your chances of virality are much higher, and the AI Copilot also allows you to clip parts of a video based on keywords. This is easily one of the highest ROI tools on this list, especially considering how prevalent short-form content is. Tools like Opus Clip can not only save you time in editing and money in hiring, but you can also build a business around it. The third AI tool that can save you time and make you money is ChatGPT Writer. Are you tired of spending hours writing emails? ChatGPT Writer is an AI-powered Chrome extension that can help simplify your workflow and save you time. With ChatGPT Writer, you can generate entire emails and messages using AI, eliminating the need to copy and paste text or write prompts. This extension is easy to use and works on all sites, including Gmail. It generates high-quality responses that outcompete other tools in the market. ChatGPT Writer is available for free on Chrome, Brave, and Edge. The fourth useful AI tool is Tidio AI Luro, an AI-powered chatbot that can assist or replace your support team. It can answer up to 70% of your customers' questions, including advanced queries like order fulfillment or restocks. Tidio AI Luro can also turn your support agents' quick and rough replies into full sentences that are on par with your company's branding. This tool can help your support system service more people in less time, resulting in happier customers and more sales. The fifth AI tool is DocuAsk. If you need to read a lengthy document, DocuAsk can save you a ton of time. This AI tool takes any document and analyzes it so you can simply ask questions about it in a chat box. Extracting information from documents has never been easier, eliminating the need to spend hours scouring through them. The sixth AI tool is Microsoft's Copilot. This is another AI tool that can make your workflow more seamless and efficient. It can do everything from analyzing Excel spreadsheets to making full-blown PowerPoint presentations. Copilot can even transcribe notes during a Microsoft team meeting and provide you with a summary of the key points and action items. This tool can help you save time and make your work easier, regardless of your occupation. Finally, the seventh AI tool is Adobe Firefly. This is a generative AI-powered content creation tool that can create realistic images from detailed text. It can also draw in or erase objects in a photo, making it incredibly useful for product photography or any other scenario where you need to depict something. Firefly can turn your sketches into photorealistic images and even generate images from 3D elements. This tool can help you elevate your work drastically without elevating your costs. In conclusion, AI tools can be a game changer for businesses looking to save time and make money. However, it's important to choose the right AI tools that will make a meaningful impact on your workflow. The 7 AI tools we discussed in this video are just a few examples of the many AI tools available that can help you achieve your business goals. By adopting AI tools, you can stay ahead of the competition and take your business to the next level. With these tools, you can capitalize on the trends that are here to stay and take advantage of the AI revolution we're in. With this, we end our today's video. Let us know what you think in our comments section below. Don't forget to press that like button and subscribe to our channel for more meaningful content, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on our new videos in the future.